and welcome to Add More Zest with Diamonds. My name's Rebecca and I've got some items to share with you today from Diamond Art Gift. They were kind enough to send me. I'm going to start with the bright purple one first because this is the first time I've seen these when I ordered this, and I think they might be rather handy when it comes to maybe if you travel with your diamond painting, or maybe you're limited on space, or maybe even you have a little person in your house who likes to diamond paint, or yeah, as a nice sort of starter item. So it is like a bag that folds up and velcros over, and then you have all these little sections in here. It actually comes with some baggies, so you pop your diamonds in the baggies and then you can pop them in there. So if you're somebody that's maybe just starting diamond painting, or maybe, I mean, it'll fit in better with diamonds in it, but or you like to work from the bags, you actually prefer to, then this will hold 18 different ones, but you could pop your bags inside there with your diamonds in. You can still label them up, whether that be on the outside or on the bags themselves, and then you can close it up and take it away with you. You could potentially, depending on the size of your project, pop your project in there as well. But yeah, I thought this was quite a fun new little thing that I'd seen as a potential storage for the right diamond painting slash the right person. I could see this being used on maybe a special diamond painting project. I know when they have different baggies, it would be handy to pop them in there, possibly pop the project in as well, just as a little travel on the go type kit, and the price was extremely reasonable. So I'll pop a link to that down below, of course. I also then got a couple of diamond paintings to share with you all, because you know, we all like a spot of diamond painting, do we not? So number one is losing its diamonds. There we go. So this is number one. This is just a fun landscape image. I thought it gave us the bright and the colourful that I like, in with a different type of image. It has 24 different colours. It is in round diamonds, and it's a 30 by 40 with an actual canvas area of 24 by 34 is your actual diamond painting area. So it comes with 24 colours that do have DMC numbers. You do get a toolkit, and they come in baggies. I like it when they do. Oh, they have a little handcraft wonderful life with a little diamond on the bags as well. How sweet is that? It's also got the numbers on the bags, but look at all those amazing colours. We've got some nice bright colours. I think I see a bright orange in there as well, which is probably up here. 947. Nice bright oranges, bright reds, some more muted colours as well, but nonetheless a very fun image to do. So that was number one, and then number two looks to definitely be a bigger one. If I can get in it, try and get the tape off. It's just got stuck to a little bit of the backing. Oh, so this is a 50 by 60. Look at this. So it has 18 colours, so you could potentially store this one in the felt bag, because the diamonds do come in baggies. I say it's a 50 by 60, but I just thought it was a stunning decor picture. It is 41.5 centimetres by just over 51 centimetres in size. It is more black and white based, so it does have some greens and some purples, which do often appear in black and white. Again, it's got that diamond symbol. Handcraft Wonderful Life on the bags. And of course there's quite a few different greys, but there is greens and purples in there, a couple of different shades of purple, and they do make up a black and white, so never panic if you get greens and purples in with a black and white image. But that would store in that felt bag because it's only 18 colours, though it is a bigger diamond painting. But you could use that for your project instead. You do get two toolkits in case you wanted to share the joy, or maybe you like to refresh your toolkit halfway through. Symbols look really clear. If we have a look at some of the more sections with a little bit more confetti in them. There's a little bit of block, but not loads. So here we've actually got about 3 or 4. But then we do have a blocker section here that's more just the letter F. So there's a little bit of variety as well as blockiness to give that gorgeous shading in the background, as well as this beautiful vase and flowers. Oh, I do like my choices. So sometimes I forget what I've chosen at the time and get quite excited when I unbox them. But that is the 3 items that Diamond Art Gift were kind enough to send me. I will of course pop links to them all down below. Do let me know if the idea of this felt bag, which does come in 2 colours I think, if you think this would be useful for other projects that I've not thought of. To just house a few little bits. Maybe even you could use them to house little stickers for somebody to do, but I'm sure there'll be loads of little projects that this would be useful for, and it doesn't take up too much space. It's quite flat, so it's handy to have. But yeah, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.